Evaluate each expression for the given values of variables. First, we have 4m plus m squared, and m is equal -3. So let me copy our expression. We have 4m plus m squared. We have to evaluate value for this expression for m equals -3. We have 4. When we don't have any sign, it means multiplication. So we have 4 times m. We substitute by -3, so we have to put this -3 in parentheses, plus, and now m, again, we substitute by -3, and we have to second power. So this is equal. We have multiplication, we have addition, we have power. The order of operation for negative numbers is the same like for positive. So first we have to do the power, multiplication, and the last addition. Because we have here multiplication and the power is on the other side, is not connect. The power is not connected with multiplication. We can do on the same time multiplication and the power. So 4 times negative number, -3. Positive number times negative number give me negative number. Positive times negative or negative times positive give me always negative number. So we have negative sign and we have to multiply 4 times 3 plus, and now we have -3 to the second power. -3 to the second power, it means we have to multiply -3 times -3. -3 to second power, it means we have to multiply -3 2 times. So this is equal negative sign we copy. 4 times 3 is 12 plus, and now we have multiplication of two negative numbers. When we multiply two negative numbers, the answer is always positive. So we have positive sign, we don't have to write positive, and 3 times 3, we rewrite this one more time. We have 3 times 3. So this is equal addition, multiplication. First we have to do multiplication, of course. So we copy -12 plus 3 times 3 is 9. So this is equal addition of two integers. One is negative, one positive. So we check which of these two numbers is greater. 12 is greater than 9. So we copy the sign of the larger number is negative, and we have to subtract from 12 9, from the greater number smaller. So this is equal negative sign we copy. 12 minus 9 is 3. So the answer is -3. And the second expression, now we have to substitute x by -1. So let me rewrite this expression. We have 5x cubed minus 2 times x. When we don't have any sign, it means multiplication. So 2 times x we have. So this is equal. Now we substitute x by -1. So we have 5 times -1 to power third minus 2 times, and again x we substitute by -1. So this is equal. We have power, we have multiplication, we have subtraction. The order of operation tell us that first we have to do the power, next multiplications, and at the end subtraction. So 5 we have to copy. We have -1 to third power. So we can rewrite that this is -1 times -1 times -1. Because the power is 3, so we have to have 3 times -1 minus, and we have 2 times -1. Before 2 we have negative sign. So we have -2 times -1. When we multiply two negative numbers, we answer is positive. So we will have plus 2 times 1. So this is equal 5, let me copy, times, now we have multiplication only, negative 1 times negative 1, so negative times negative give me positive, and so we have here, from these two numbers, we have positive sign, but last number is also negative, so positive times negative give me always negative. So it will be, in parentheses we can write negative sign. 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. So negative 1 times negative 1 times negative 1 is negative 1. When we have odd numbers with negative signs, let me write this, odd numbers with negative signs, the answer is always negative. So odd, it means 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, and so on. Odd numbers with negative signs, the answer is negative. So we have negative sign, and 1 times 1 times 1 is 1. And we have plus 2 times 1 is 2. So this is equal. Now we have multiplication and addition. So first we have to do multiplication. 5 times negative 1. Positive number times negative number. The answer must be negative. So we write negative sign. And we have 5 times 1 plus 2. So this is equal. Negative sign we have to rewrite. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2. And now we have addition of two numbers. One is negative, one positive. So first we check the sign before the larger number is negative. So we copy this negative sign. And in parentheses we subtract from the greater number smaller. So 5 minus 2 will be. So this is negative sign we rewrite. 5 minus 2 is 3. So the answer will be negative 3. This is my solution.